This is a great question. What if you receive a default judgment and then after receiving the default judgment, your ex files to have the default judgment dismissed and kind of restart the entire process again for the divorce? So let's define default judgment for a second. Default judgment is when you file something with the court and your ex doesn't respond to it at all, does not engage in the process. You win by default and you get everything you asked for. So that's a default judgment. So if that happens, and then your ex comes back maybe before the judge actually signs the papers and says, hey, I know I defaulted, but I really need to reopen this case. Or maybe it's even after the judge signs the papers and doesn't have a good reason for it, but just says, hey, look, I didn't have a lawyer. I didn't realize this. I want to reopen. That's going to depend on your state and how they look at it. Here in Utah, they're really pretty lenient about this stuff. So a lot of times we will get these cases reopened and then we have to start from the beginning, which stinks, but courts kind of do that quite a bit here in Utah.